Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to remove door panels on Fiat Doblo MJ year 2015. So you have this. Use a plastic tool for this. Just pull it out. It will go a little harder. Undo the speakers, unhook this clip and pull it out. Then you have here and here Phillips screwdriver. Undo those bolts. Then you have these plastics. Use some kind of hook or something to get underneath here and just pull them out. Here you have Torx 30. Undo them. Pull the plastic towards up. Then you have a line for the door hooks. Just pull it up. You see this? Just use this little plastic, stretch it a little, only a little, so you don't break it, and pull the line towards up and in that direction. Undo the connector for the window switch, and then I'll show you what to do next. So now I have started from this angle. I pulled it, and here you can see a clip. Here you see a clip. This one I broke a little. So you have this tool. Put light or something. Pull up a little plastic, and then you'll see these clips. Use this tool and just plug them out and go all around. On this side, bottom side, and that side. And here you see this clip. When you undo everything of this, just pull the panel towards up and you will be able to remove it. And that's it. Thank you and good luck.